Welcome, beautiful minds. You're watching the Zen Mind Podcast and I'm your host, Mohammad Aasif. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that touches every part of our lives, whether you're chasing your dreams, building relationships, or simply trying to feel more at peace with yourself. That topic is self-confidence. But not just any self-confidence. Today, I want to help you develop unshakable self-confidence, the kind that isn't swayed by setbacks, criticism, or the ups and downs of daily life. Imagine waking up every day knowing, deep in your bones, that you are enough. That you can handle whatever comes your way. That you're worthy of love, respect, and success. That's the power we're unlocking today. If you've ever felt held back by self-doubt, hesitation, or fear of judgment, this video is for you. Whether you're a student, a professional, an artist, or just someone looking to feel more comfortable in your own skin, you're in the right place. Before we begin, I'd love to ask for your support. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a confidence boost, and subscribe to the Zen Mind Podcast for more life-changing content. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Your support means the world to me and helps us reach more people who need these insights. Now, let's begin this journey together. What is self-confidence and why does it matter? Confidence is more than just a feeling. It's the foundation of success in every area of life: career, relationships, and personal growth. Confident people speak clearly, take calculated risks, and trust their judgment. They're resilient in the face of setbacks and open to new opportunities. On the other hand, insecurity can hold us back, making us hesitant, self-critical, and afraid to try new things. But here's the good news: self-confidence isn't something you're born with, it's a skill you can develop, no matter where you're starting from. In this video, we'll explore practical, science-backed strategies to build unshakable self-confidence. 1. Understand the roots of self-doubt. Before we can build confidence, we need to understand what's holding us back. Many of us carry limiting beliefs about ourselves, thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve success, or people will judge me. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, negative feedback, or societal pressures. But as Dr. Aziz Gazipura reminds us, these beliefs are often just stories we've told ourselves, not reality. The first step to unshakable confidence is to recognize and challenge these limiting beliefs. 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. A positive mindset is the cornerstone of confidence. This means practicing gratitude, affirming your strengths, and replacing negative thoughts with constructive ones. Try starting your day with a simple affirmation, like, I am capable, or I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. 3. Build self-awareness and self-acceptance. Self-confidence starts with self-acceptance. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge your strengths and accept your imperfections. Remember, everyone has flaws. What matters is how you respond to them. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that you're a work in progress. 4. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy and confidence. When you compare yourself to others, you're likely to feel inadequate. Instead, focus on your own journey and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Track your wins and reflect on how far you've come. 5. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Take calculated risks and try new experiences, even if they scare you. Each time you push your boundaries, you prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you thought. Start small: say hello to a stranger, try a new hobby, or speak up in a meeting. 6. Celebrate your successes. Don't wait for big achievements to celebrate. Acknowledge your small wins along the way. Did you finish a project? Did you speak up for yourself? Celebrate it. These moments build momentum and reinforce your confidence. 7. Practice positive self-talk and body language. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace self-criticism with encouragement. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Your body language not only affects how others see you but also how you feel about yourself. 8. Surround yourself with supportive people. Your environment shapes your mindset. Seek out friends, mentors, and communities that uplift and inspire you. Avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy and self-esteem. 9. Learn new skills and mastery. Confidence grows with competence. Take up a new hobby, learn a language, or develop a professional skill. As you gain expertise, your self-assurance will naturally increase. 10. Practice visualization and relaxation. Visualize yourself succeeding in challenging situations. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to reduce anxiety and boost your confidence. 11. Dress for success. How you present yourself affects how you feel. Wear clothes that make you feel good, maintain good grooming, and dress appropriately for the occasion. 12. Let go of the need for approval. You can't control what others think of you and you don't need to. Focus on being true to yourself and living by your own values. As Dr. Aziz says, we can't even control all the judgments in our own heads, let alone someone else's. 13. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Analyze your mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Every setback is a chance to grow stronger and more resilient. 14. Be present and authentic. Confidence comes from being present in the moment and authentic with yourself and others. Don't get stuck in old stories or worries about the future. Show up as your true self and trust that you are enough. 15. Make self-care a priority. Physical and mental well-being are essential for confidence. Exercise regularly, eat well, get enough sleep, and take time to relax and recharge. When you feel good, you're more likely to feel confident. 16. Challenge negative self-perceptions. If you see yourself as incapable or unworthy, challenge that perception. Ask yourself, is this really true? What evidence do I have? Often, you'll find that your self-doubt is based on old stories, not reality. 17. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right. Take time each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This simple practice can boost your mood and confidence. 18. Set and achieve small goals. Setting and achieving small goals builds momentum and self-belief. Break big goals into manageable steps and celebrate each milestone. 19. Seek inspiration. Read books, listen to podcasts, or follow people who inspire you. Surround yourself with positive messages and role models who embody the confidence you want to develop. 20. Keep practicing. Confidence is a habit, not a destination. Keep practicing these strategies, even when it's hard. Over time, you'll notice lasting changes in how you see yourself and how you show up in the world. Building unshakable self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up for yourself every day, embracing your imperfections, and celebrating your progress. Remember, you are enough just as you are. If you found this video helpful, please support the Zen Mind Podcast by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Press the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the wisdom of confidence and self-growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, the most unshakable confidence comes from within. Until next time, stay zen, stay confident, and keep growing.